See, as far as party is concerned, I am a soldier of the party, disciplined soldier of the party. Whatever party decides is okay.
Is it?
But why are you asking me? I am the only one who said in the beginning, soon after the elections, I am not interested. I am the only one who said I am not interested this time. So why this question for me?
That's why we are asking you, because you are not interested party. Okay. So four ex-CMs in the opposition. Is it going to help you, on the floor of the house?
It doesn't matter. As far as the loyal party MLAs which are left, I appreciate them, I salute them, and I'm very happy that at least 5 are there.
Rupesh,
Sir, first reaction after getting elected as leader of opposition?
I am thankful to my colleagues in the Legislative Assembly and the party president Rahul Gandhi for having reposed faith in me.
So basically, sir, with such a short number of opposition benches, is it going to be tough time?
I know it is a challenging job, but we'll try our level best.
So we had asked you this in the past also. These other people from non-Congress opposition members.
As a largest opposition group, it is the responsibility of our party to coordinate with all the opposition groups. This has been my stand right from beginning.
लेट का झाला 3 दिवस
I can't answer this question.